Hey everyone, so we're at Hard Rock, uh, Bristol, and we checked in. We got comped a free night, and we're in. We got I guess their standard king size room or king bedroom. So we just got in, and we're going to check out the accommodations here. Here is me, of course. And I gotta say, right off the bat, this place looks pretty nice. This is ooh, and the lights down there just came on when I walked in here. Hadn't noticed that. Like, it's kind of like when you kick the back of your tailgate and your tailgate opens up for you. This one, it senses that somebody's walking in here and the lights come on. Okay. These are nice fixtures here, kind of bronze looking. Some body lotion looks like. Okay. Let's look pretty standard commode, toilet. Little piece of artwork in there. Okay. Let's check out the shower. Ooh, that's pretty. This is very nice. You got two shower heads there. One to reach the hard to reach areas, I suppose. Conditioner and shampoo. Very nice, very clean too, I might add. All right, let's see what else we got here. Here's the hotel evacuation map. That's where we are, right in the middle. Okay, so you got a mirror here, which is extra couple of pillows, some robes, a couple of other things you see in most hotels. Nothing really special there. But this is kind of cool. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a height chart, and it shows you how high certain singers are. Like there's Tina Turner, Dolly Parton, Missy Elliott. And all the way up here at 6'6" is Blake Shelton. Guess he's a big guy. Something else that's kind of nice, they have a refrigerator. We already stocked ours up with a few things we like, but yeah. Bring your drinks up to your room here. Got a refrigerator for you. Now there's no microwave, but refrigerator, I guess I'd rather have that. You got some coffee maker here for in the morning. And there's your ice bucket. Okay. Got a pretty big size TV. If you're like me, I come to a place like this, I don't plan on spending much time watching television in my room. There's a little footstool down there. Might come in handy if you're sitting over there. A drawer here. Imagine it's the same. Yeah, a couple empty drawers. You want to put your clothes and stuff in there. We may do that, we may not. Some plugs, USB, looks like, on that side. Not one over there. There's a desk, little lamp, and a chair. It faces over in that direction. I gotta tell you, this place looks a lot better than I had anticipated. here's a few more. I think there's some more connections, outlets, what have you. And then there's this. This is pretty cool. You got your, it's kind of a light thing. You turn off all your lights and you turn them on, and a string of lights there comes on. Then you can put it in different modes. You may not be able to see it, but it gets dimmer. Sleep. It's on, but barely on. And then there's like a welcome one. Just kind of backlights the area behind the bed. A nice touch. A clock, if anybody still cares about having a clock and a telephone in the room, they have that for you. Let's see. I don't think I've missed anything other than the view. Now the view here, based on where this is located. Industrial equipment. Somebody over there working on one of them. I guess those are AC units, probably, for the casino. But, yeah, it's not like a Vegas view or anything, but it is what it is. And again, got this room for free. Plus $14 was what the, what do they call it? I forget what it's called, resort fee or something like that. But I think the room looks very nice. And looking at it, it's very, very clean. And they have little touches too. Let me show you this. Hopefully you can see it. Hard Rock, the sheets have little guitars on them. And also over here, right here. So subtle, but kind of neat. There's that for the, I meant to show you that earlier if you need to charge up stuff. And of course they have a safe here. No casino hotel is complete without a safe for all your big winnings. Okay. I hope that gives you an idea of what you have in store if you decide to stay at Hard Rock Bristol in Bristol, Virginia. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Thanks for watching. This is the 3rd floor, right? Mm-hmm. Elvis Presley on the 6th floor. Dave Matthews Band. This is on the 5th floor. Of course, Dolly's on the 4th floor. And Kenny Chesney.
Sure. Sorry, thank you.
We're going to